Take it to the shower, this waterproof trimmer doesn't mind getting a little wet. Whether you're touching up or going into detail, both blades can be used wet or dry, saving time and cleanup. IPX7 rated to protect against immersion in up to 1 meter of fresh water for up to 30 minutes. Groin, body, and back. Haven't you ever wondered what your pubes would look like shaved into a mohawk? A high fade? No? Fine, us neither. No matter what you're sporting, the Lawn Mower 6.0 Ultra and its skin-safe dual-head system makes manicuring your manliness easy. If you want to switch it up and trim other parts of your body like your chest, armpits, back, arms, or legs, the Glenclip Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra has you covered.